day to you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Amidat Olohunkemi Arademi Alubarika. This is happening already, right? I'm deeply honored to stand before you today, not as just the sister of these remarkable women we are celebrating today, but as a witness to a love story that is truly special and incredible. Growing up with Arike, my one and only Arike, the CEO of Arike, was nothing short of adventure. She wasn't just my sister, she was my first friend, my greatest competitor in our playful childhood battles, and the person who has always consistently shown me the true meaning of love, strength, and resilience. And yes, we fought. Trust me, I always ask myself if we were truly sisters, because we truly fight a lot. But no matter how the disagreement we had, our bond was always unshaken, rooted in loyalty, laughter, and unconditional love. Arike has been my greatest teacher. She taught me to be strong in the face of challenges, to stand firm even when the world tried to shake me. And after so much resistance on my part, she even taught me how to cook. Thank you so much for that. A shop has been my second home. I always find myself running to a shop after a long shift at the hospital, just for amazing food that she will offer me. But before I move on, I need to talk about someone very, very, very important. My Frenchman. My Kilishi man. Abdusalam Abdulaziz Olayiwaju. When I first met this man, I was so surprised. I would dare to see my sister her. From where? Then, as soon as it got going, everything came okay. It made all sense. Abdusalam isn't just a man. He's a man who loves my sister. He cherishes her from the way he looks at her, to the way he supports her, to the way he honors her. I'm serious, but their love is undeniable. And of course, the Kilishi and Schweppes, it never fails to bring to me. That alone has earned him a permanent spot in my heart. But before I proceed, I need every single one here to listen to me very, very carefully, especially Abdusalam. Arike isn't just a woman. She's a treasure, a virgin, a queen, a force of nature, and a blessing to anyone who truly knows her. You're not just marrying my sister, you're marrying someone whose worth is beyond measure, and the responsibilities that comes with it must never be taken lightly. Marriage is a sacred trust. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, the best of you are those who are best to their wives, and I'm the best of you to my wife. This isn't just an advice, it's a standard you must uphold to every single day. To love her isn't just enough. You must honor her in the way you speak to her, the way you treat her, and the way you guard her heart. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us in the Quran, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ لِتَسْكُنُوا إِلَيْهَا وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُم مَّوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَآيَاتٍ لِقَوْمٍ يَتَفَكَّرُونَ. And among his signs is this: he created you for your mates, for among yourself, that you may find tranquility in them, and he placed between you love and mercy. Verily, in that is time for people who reflect. Love and mercy. These are not just words; they are actions. They are actions that you must take up to. Mercy in the way you hold her when you try, in the way you listen to her when she needs to be heard. And
ẹ bá ń sọ pé Ọlọ́run tóbi lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà láti Ṣakí ìdílé láti Ṣakí bàbá ọkọ ìyàwó wọn sí mẹ́ wọ́n ti lọlé láti Ṣakí Allah ajá náà sí bàbá àgbà yára ká má bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ mi ń bì. Chairman gbogbo Alangwa Magajis Forum akíkalẹ̀ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí gbogbo ẹni tó wà ń bí yìí àwọn bàbá tí mo dákọ̀ yìí wọ́n wá sojú bàbá ọlọ́lá bàálù lọ́rin ni
Sheikh.
Bàbá lókùtà gidi ẹ̀ bá ń ṣe ṣéwù.
Sheikh.
Ajiwa Mahmud Jami Yaribidesi ẹ̀ ṣe ṣéwù kẹ̀ náwó báyìí.